I'm Stephen. I'm the installations manager at LTI. I cover the west side. I came to LTI because I knew somebody that worked here. They offered me the chance to come in. So what I actually did is I took a week trial. So I took a holiday from my work to come in here, and I absolutely loved it. For the moment I go here to right now, I love every aspect of the job. What I do now is I'm the manager, so I need to look at all the jobs, get accustomed to the programme, see what jobs are in line next, plan them into each installer so that they've got work for each week and obviously right through the rest of the month. Typical day is come in the morning, put out the fires that need put out with sickness or jobs cancelled with the weather, whatever that takes, and I try and plan out the next day, especially then the rest of the week, make sure all the plans have worked, what they were planned in. If we need to reschedule stuff, we'll reschedule it. And then I'll go and inspect jobs, do some pre-inspections, liaise with installers, whether at the wash or coating stage, pretty much all action. Just make sure the installer is following all his training. He's got taped up properly, he's got everything sheeted out, he's following all the health and safety rules, and if he does all that, then there's no way that he shouldn't be doing the correct job. When things go wrong, which is quite understandable with our business, we'll get so many things that can put in our way to getting a job finished, i.e. weather, or people fall sick, or traffic in the morning, or there's lots of many reasons, but all we need is good communication. Talk them through what's happening, talk them through what needs to be done, and just let them know that whether they might not seem it or not, we have got their interests at heart. LTI stands for Loyal to Integrity. We do aim to give 100% customer satisfaction. We treat every customer with 100% care. We bring them through all the same process. It doesn't always work through various reasons, but we always aim to rectify any problems we do encounter. Even when I was an installer, you take the customer satisfaction at the end of a job was brilliant. You've seen the joy and the happiness in their faces. What they envisage sometimes is a lot bigger than what they envisaged, and they get great joy in that, and seeing that is a big part of the job. You feel it yourself, you feel like you've done a great job for a customer. I would say go for it, because it is worth it, and you do get the guarantee that if anything does go wrong, then we're always going to be there to fix it per the guarantee.